In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear bumper step pad on this Dodge Grand Caravan. Let's get started. To do this, all you need is a plastic trim tool. This is going to help you pry the step pad up. Of course, unless yours is broken, then it would already be up. But if it's not broken, it should have a bunch of clips that go all along. If you use anything metal, it will damage the paint on the bumper, so keep that in mind. Stick it underneath here and just pry up. Just like that. Go along the entire bumper cover and pop up this pad. Once you unclip it from the front side here, lift it up and pull it straight out. It just has hooks that hook in. And there you have it. I recommend cleaning this area since you have it all apart now. Now take your pad on the back side. You'll see a bunch of hooks. Those have to line up with these holes. They have to slide in and backwards, or I guess towards the front of the vehicle. So line it up here, and then once you feel that they all hooked in, push it backwards. The front will lift up naturally because the clips aren't in yet. And then once these are lined up, push them all straight down. Make sure it's all lined up everywhere. If it isn't, it's because the clips aren't clipped in yet, so make sure you tap them all down, and of course, make sure they're actually lined up. There you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.